If you're an artist in 2025, streams matter more than ever. More streams mean more fans, more revenue, and more career growth. But with over 100,000 songs uploaded every single day on Spotify alone, and millions more across Apple Music, Boomplay, and Audiomack, how do you make your music stand out? In this video, I'll break down the most effective strategy you can use to get more streams across platforms, whether you are based in Nigeria, Ghana, the UK, the US, South Africa, or anywhere else. We'll talk about playlisting, smart use of social media, Spotify algorithms, and how to build true fan loyalty that brings in consistent streams, not just one-time hits. If you're serious about growing your music career, smash the subscribe button for more business tips. Now let's dive into it. Playlists are the lifeblood of streaming success today. Getting your song on the right playlists exposes your music to thousands, even millions, of listeners you could never reach on your own. There are three main types of playlists you must focus on. Number one, editorial playlists. That's the holy grail. Editorial playlists are curated by the platform's own team. Example includes Spotify's New Music Friday, Fresh Gospel, African Heat, or Apple Music's Africa Rising. Now, how to get on editorial playlist. Simply submit your song early, at least 4 weeks before release on Spotify for artists and Apple Music for artists. Number two, make your pitch personal. Tell the story behind song, its genre, and your target audience. Number three, ensure top-notch quality. A poor recording will be rejected instantly, no matter how talented you are. The second type of playlist is the user-generated playlist. That's the secret weapon. User-generated playlists are made by regular listeners, DJs, influencers, and even churches. Some of these playlists have more followers than official ones. How to get there? Search for playlists in your own genre using keywords like Afrobeats, Party, or Sunday Worship Nigeria. Find the curator's Instagram or LinkedIn. They usually leave contact details. Send a polite personal DM or email, not a spammy message. Then lastly, show them how your song fits the vibe of their playlist. Here's another tip. Even getting on 10 small playlists can bring thousands of streams in the long term. The third type of playlist is the algorithmic playlist. Let the AI work for you. Spotify, Apple Music, and Boomplay all use algorithms to recommend songs through playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and Made For You mixes. How to trigger the algorithm? Number one, get fans to save your song. Saves are more important than likes or even streams. Number two, get people to add your songs to their personal playlists. Number three, keep listeners engaged. Make sure your song's intro is strong so they don't skip it before 30 seconds. Here's another pro tip. The more people listen to your song and save it, the more the system will promote it automatically, free of charge. Today, your success on Spotify and Apple Music starts on social media. If you are not active, you are invisible. So go viral with short form videos. You see, short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels can explode your streams. Now, how to use short form content. Create easy challenges like dances, skits, or lip sync trends. Tell the story behind your song. People connect with real emotions. Use trending audio and hashtags to reach bigger audience. Here's another pro tip. You don't need a fancy camera. Your phone is enough. Consistency is the key. The second reason why social media is your friend is it makes it easy for people to find your music. Don't expect people to search for you. Make it stupidly easy for them to find your music. To make it easy for people to find your music, put your streaming link in your Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter bio. Use Linktree, Beacon, or Songwhip to collect all links in one click. Pin your song post at the top of your profiles. Streams without fans are empty. You need people who care about your music, not just random plays. Involve your fans. Run simple contests like use my song in your video and tag me. Best one gets a shout out. Respond to DMs, comments, and mentions personally. Number three you want to do is go live on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. And you can also perform, share updates, and talk to your fans. You see, every 50 loyal fans are better than 5,000 ghost listeners. Don't just build an audience, build a community. Now, this is how to create a music community. Start a WhatsApp or Telegram group for your core fans. Yes, this one works in Nigeria big time. Give them exclusive content, demos, freestyles, early song previews, then celebrate milestone with them, like 10,000 streams. Let them know. Now to wrap it up, streams are just the beginning. If you master playlisting, social media, fan engagement, and keep building patiently, the sky is your starting point. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below your biggest takeaway or question. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.